Imagine this, you're a stay-at-home dad, knee-deep in Legos and bedtime stories. But here's the twist, you're also pulling in over $150,000 a year. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what Wallace Hunt accomplished, and we're here to crack open his secret sauce. Wallace's journey is nothing short of inspiring. From brainstorming ideas to executing successful projects, he turned his stay-at-home status into a lucrative venture. Let's face it, the average American family of 4 brings home a cool $79,900. Wallace smashed that number while being present for his kids. His strategy? A blend of passion, innovation, and relentless determination. Stay tuned as we dive deep into Wallace's winning strategy and uncover how he made it all happen. The magic formula: multiple income streams. Wallace didn't become a stay-at-home millionaire overnight. The key to his success lies in a strategy familiar to many: multiple income streams. He built a whole network, 6 channels to be exact, all working together to generate serious revenue. First, he launched an online course, sharing his expertise and earning passive income. Next, he invested in the stock market, making smart moves to grow his wealth. He also started a blog, monetizing it through ads and affiliate marketing. Consulting became another stream, offering his knowledge to clients for a fee. He didn't stop there. Wallace ventured into e-commerce, selling products online. And finally, he invested in real estate, renting out properties for a steady income. But here's the thing, Wallace emphasizes hard work. There's no magic switch here. He grinded, he learned, he failed. We'll get to that. But he never gave up. Early experiments, the trial and error phase. Back in 2016, Wallace, like many of us, jumped into the entrepreneurial fire. He tried Facebook ads, dabbled in selling t-shirts, but found the ad metrics confusing and frustrating. He even took a shot at Amazon FBA, but inventory issues and logistical challenges made it a tough road. The problem with these ventures was they still required trading time for money. Wallace couldn't be the present dad he wanted to be while glued to a computer screen. He knew he needed a different approach to balance work and family life. The game changer: affiliate marketing. Then came the turning point. A friend suggested affiliate marketing, promoting products and services Wallace already used and loved. It was a light bulb moment. This was a business that could grow alongside his family. The learning curve was steep. Wallace devoured YouTube tutorials, webinars, and books. Growth was slow. His first year yielded a measly 13 cents. But Wallace didn't flinch. He meticulously analyzed data and optimized his strategies. Wallace also networked with other successful marketers, attending conferences and learning from the best. He focused on creating engaging content and high-quality marketing materials. He stayed consistent, and by year 4, his income exploded. Wallace's dedication paid off, allowing him to enjoy a balanced life with his family. The 6 streams of Wallace's success. Let's break down Wallace's income machine. Paid sponsorships. Partnering with brands he trusts, Wallace earns around $500 per partnership, all while promoting products that genuinely add value. For instance, he once collaborated with a tech company to promote a new productivity app, which not only boosted his income but also helped his audience streamline their daily tasks. Here's where things get interesting. Wallace promotes 4 key offers. An email automation platform. This baby nets him a sweet $8,000 monthly, a reliable stream of passive income. He often shares stories of how this platform has helped small businesses grow their customer base effortlessly. KDP publishing software. Wallace helps aspiring authors, earning $2,629.36 in the process. One of his mentees even became a best-selling author, attributing their success to Wallace's guidance. ClickFunnels. This powerhouse marketing software brings in a whopping $18,278 with recurring revenue and even a chance to win your dream car. Wallace once shared a story of how a small business owner transformed their sales funnel using ClickFunnels, skyrocketing their revenue. His core product: affiliate marketing training. Sharing his knowledge is Wallace's biggest earner, bringing in a cool $66,265 by teaching others the secrets of affiliate marketing. One of his students went from 0 to earning 5 figures monthly thanks to Wallace's training. YouTube earnings. Wallace has cracked the YouTube code, pulling in over $98,000. He often recounts how his video on financial independence went viral, attracting a massive following and substantial ad revenue. Remember, it's not just about views, the niche matters. Wallace's focus on finance and entrepreneurship has been a goldmine. Finance-related content tends to earn higher rates. Wallace's videos on investment strategies and passive income streams are particularly popular. But here's the secret Wallace wants you to know. Don't rely solely on AdSense. Diversification is key. Wallace's success is a testament to the power of multiple income streams, each contributing to his impressive earnings. Beyond the numbers, the heart of the hustle. Wallace's story isn't just about the money, although let's be honest, that's pretty sweet. It's about the freedom, the flexibility, the chance to be there for his kids. He's living proof that anyone, with the right approach, can build a successful online business. The message here is clear. Persistence and consistency are your weapons. Keep going because success takes time. You too can create a YouTube channel, launch an online business, and become the master of your income. Remember, Wallace also shared his successes and failures. That's the kind of transparency we value at Kingdom Cash. Wallace's dedication is inspiring. He works tirelessly, celebrates small victories, and never loses sight of his goals. His journey is a testament to the power of hard work and unwavering commitment. His family is his biggest cheerleader, and that support fuels his hustle. Wallace's story is a beacon of hope for anyone dreaming of a better future. His hustle is driven by love, passion, and an unbreakable spirit. So, are you ready to join the revolution? Subscribe to our channel for more game-changing business ideas and strategies. Smash that like button if you're ready to take control of your financial future and make a difference. Share this video with your friends who are ready to earn money and transform their lives. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas and tips. Also, see our affiliate links below for more training and guidance on how to be more profitable. Remember, success is sweeter when shared. Be kind, be humble, be generous. Let's make 2024 our year of unstoppable success. Let's do this together.